Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wassalam ala rasulullah. The sun, every 2 minutes of sun reaching surface of the earth is equivalent to annual usage of humanity. Do we need furthermore? In this country, in this blessed country, of course we need more. What do we need? What do we have in this country? We have leaders. Leaders. What do leaders do? They change people. They change people to leaders. So this country is very much blessed with having great leaders, which is much far better than solar, than sun. This renewable source of energy can create every 2 minutes equivalent to humanity, annual usage of humanity. So let's go further into this. So here in UAE, we are going to talk about innumerable applications and niche competitive advantages of solar photovoltaic systems in UAE. I will not go so technically into solar photovoltaic system, but I will be talking about solar panel. Everybody knows that on top of each roof or any lighting, you can see solar panel. This source of panel gives DC power, but this DC power to be used in our usage, it has to be converted through an equipment. It's called inverter to create AC power, and this AC power, it will go to our home usage, home appliances. So look at the modularity and simplicity of this system. Just solar lights, solar panel, inverter changing to power. There are some protective devices. Energy meter is there. Utilities, of course, like energy meter, whatever they generate, they need to bill it for everybody. So here we're gonna talk about how to reduce our bills for owners, for utility providers also. They can save a lot of energy through photovoltaic. In this diagram, you can see how solar system works. During the day, a lot of people go out of home. The consumption of energy, it might reduce that light blue, and we have additional solar power which can be exported to the grid. But during the night, the grid connected power, it will be used for homes. So why solar? If you look at this, a lot of speakers highlighted this solar systems. So it is a very much green energy. It saves a lot of money. It is very much cost effective, and it is very much independent from fossil fuels. Again, we are very much blessed to live in this country. This country has a lot of resources. One of them is sun. This sun, if you look at the irradiation, in every square meter, we can get almost 2,200 kilowatt hour. As an electrical engineer, I did the electrical engineering, and till I graduated, I did a lot of work. Like I was not considering what does kilowatt hour mean. Just when it comes to solar, when first project we commissioned, we commissioned the inverter. We saw the energy generating just right away next to our hand. Solar power, solar panel, and meter. You can see the money next to you, just energy generating, and each 1 kilowatt hour is like 44.5 fils as per DIWA. I don't know, in SIWA maybe a little bit more. So we are again blessed in this country for this. Comparing to other countries, you can see the highlighted, the darker one, you know, it's a better generation. If you look at Middle East, in general, you know, comparing to Europe, it is almost double the capability. It is almost double, you know, to create energy from solar. This energy, you know, but Germany has been practicing solar photovoltaic since 70s, if not earlier. You know, they have done a lot of solar energies with the price of $5 per watt peak. But here we made, in UAE, starting with our rulers, you know, with our leaders, Your Excellency, thank you very much for giving me a chance to talk about this. One of our great leaders are here, Dr. Alim. I am very much honored to be presenting about solar photovoltaic in Sharjah, and I hope that we can do a lot of changes, create leaders to do changes through solar photovoltaic or any type of renewable energy.